Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today's going to be an amazing video. We got a brand new air fryer. Just ordered it. It's the Power XL air fryer grill. It's got the grill grate to make nice grill marks and all kinds of stuff with some other stuff with it as well. But we'll take a look at that. We're going to actually unbox it, a quick review, a one over, and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here's the box that we got. It's pretty dang big, really big. So I just opened it up or uncut the top, and yeah, the thing is pretty big. Just real quick look, and the thing you get on top, it says, please pay attention to yada yada yada. You can read that, no big deal. And then there's a grill grate on top, and then here is the air fryer itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out of all the styrofoam, and once it's unboxed, we'll bring it right back. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at actually what this thing comes with. There's a lot of more stuff over here on the side, but there's not a lot of room on here because it comes actually with a lot of stuff. So first thing is this pan here, which I could even see doing eggs or muffins or even burgers or something like that, but non-stick. It comes with that. That's pretty cool. Next thing is this is really awesome. It's actually a grill grate for making nice grill marks on like steaks and burgers or chicken or anything like that. And this is pretty heavy duty. So this thing's gonna get 450 degrees to make some nice good marks. So that that's really cool. Next thing is actually a pizza stone, and this was pretty interesting. I really like that. So you can do your little personal pizzas, and I'll be doing all this stuff on this. I'm gonna do a pizza, chicken, steaks, all that stuff, so it comes with that also. Next thing here is going to be, the crisper or fry basket baking. So this is chicken, fries, anything like that. Really cool stuff, so like that. Next thing is going to be, now this I'm imagining is just anything you can think of, for baking, because it bakes also. So that's pretty cool, non-stick as well. It's kind of deep, so any grease don't get out as well. But yeah, I like that. That looks pretty cool and looks pretty durable as well. I got the drip tray, of course. The drip tray just goes in the bottom. That is cool. And then we got another grilling rack, which anything you could think of to throw on there, you can use that as well. I'd imagine. You could do chicken or anything you want on this as well if you don't want to use the other grill grate, but that's I'll be using that as well. The other thing is the spit that it comes with, which I like. On the other Power air fryers, the spit is a little different. This one's a little thicker, and yeah, we're gonna do a pretty big chicken here. Also, this thing says it can do a 12-pound turkey, so we'll be trying a 12-pound turkey in this thing as well. But I like the spit. Actually, I like the setup a little better than the other ones that they have, a little thicker right here on the tongs and stuff. So yeah, that's awesome. And then, least but not last, it always comes with a book, recipes, some instructions. There's an owner's manual in here and all that stuff. And it also does come with a 1-year warranty. So that's it. Let's get the air fryer over here and actually take a look at it and get some of the stuff in it. Okay, so here is the front of it. So we're just gonna basically take a look at what it came with and how stuff fits in there. So obviously the door opens right up. First thing, obviously, it's going to go in is the drip tray, and that's just going to go down below. Super simple, just like that. Now these other ones, I'm sure they're all super easy as well. The pizza stone. Let's see. So easy to go in. Bottom rack. Let's see. Middle rack, and then there's a top rack. I'm going to put it on the top rack as well. So that's cool. And this is one I really like as well, or I know I'm gonna be using a lot, but it's gonna make a nice grill marks on steaks and burgers and stuff like that. So, oh yeah, that's gonna be lovely for some steaks or whatever you want on there. I think it's gonna get really hot. Yeah, so there's that. So all the stuff fits really easily into it. The crisper tray goes right in there. All levels on the top. Yeah, so anywhere you want to put that as well. So that's awesome. And this as well. So they all fit in on any level. Yeah, so they all fit in, you know, anywhere. There's 3 different levels. And on this one also I like that there is heating elements on the bottom. There's also heating elements on the top. And this is basically a convection oven. So it's going to blow the air around. You got a fan over here, which from the infomercial anyway, shows that it blows the air really strongly all through the whole thing. But we'll test that at a different time. The spit for the rotisserie, I was looking, that goes in there. I'm gonna have to look and see how that actually goes in. So there's that, and we got this as well, which obviously goes in just like anything else on any level as well. And obviously you can have multiple of these things. One of these if you want. One of these if you want. I'm assuming, let's just see. Yeah, they all fit in there. So it's, you know, you could put all kinds of different combinations and stuff in there. So really cool. So I'm liking that. And it's got some measurements and marks here that you can look at. Rotisserie, what level you need to be on, air fryer, and all that good stuff. So that's really awesome. So first look, I love the outer face and all that stuff. So let's actually take a look at some of the presets and probably turn this thing on and see what it sounds like. All right, so let's take a look at some of these knobs, what we got here. I just plugged it in, and the one thing I could tell right off the bat is that like the other air fryers that I have, it doesn't automatically turn on, which I like. You actually have to use a function, is what it looks like. If you pick a function or something, the light comes on. Oh, there's the power button right there. Once you turn it off, it's off. So I really like that. Let's see here what we got. So here's your temperature, and it goes from obviously 0 to 450 degrees. The 450 degrees, and that's what you're going to need for like your steaks and get the great marks with that grill grate that it comes with. It has the presets for you can see over air fryer grill, reheat, rotisserie, broil, pizza, and then it has your time down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to try to turn this thing on to, let's see, I don't know, 300 degrees or so. We're going to go air fry, and we're going to just turn it on for, you know, set it for 20 minutes and see what it sounds like. Wow. That thing is so quiet, and that's on air fry. Wow. Got everything in here, lights on. I mean, that thing is like 3 or 4 times quieter than my air fryer, for sure. Wow, that's great. I mean, it's got the, you know, the timer and everything, so that is awesome. That's on air fry. Okay, all right, so that's all good. Yeah, sounds, that is just super quiet. That's awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna turn this thing off, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash it up and whatnot. But here's a first look at kind of the functions and stuff. I'm gonna kind of read through the manual real quick. We'll be right back with you. Okay, there's a quick look at, well, the unboxing and you know, what this thing comes with. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. There's a lot of settings and stuff that it comes with. Now make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all of the cool stuff that I'm doing with this. I'm also going to put that, because they claim you can do a 12-pound turkey in this thing. I'm going to put that to the test, as well as a lot of other stuff. And there's a lot of other air fryer stuff on my video as well, from the Elite to the XL, the new 10-in-1. But yeah, this thing is going to be really fun. It does also come with a 1-year warranty as well. So yeah, I'm going to have super fun with this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share it, if you know anybody that maybe has one of these or wants one of these. But yeah, I'm going to be coming out with some new videos really quick. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next cook/review. Thanks for watching.